In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download and install your new PremiumPress theme. So let's get started. Firstly, let's log on to our main website at www.premiumpress.com. From here, we need to navigate to the members area to download our purchased themes. Now, for this video tutorial, I'm going to install the auction theme. However, the process is exactly the same for all of our PremiumPress themes. Once you've successfully downloaded the PremiumPress theme that you've purchased, simply log on to your main WordPress website, navigate to the admin area and click on Appearance, Themes. Now you'll notice an option at the top called Add New, and then Upload Theme. From here, we simply select the file that we just downloaded from our PremiumPress.com website. Then click Install Now. Once the installation has been successfully complete, you'll notice three options: Live Preview, Activate, or Return to Themes page. We can activate it simply by clicking Activate, or in case we decide to activate it later on, we can click on Themes, and from the Themes tab, we can click on Activate. Once you activate a PremiumPress theme, you'll notice new options available on the left-hand menu. We can click Begin Setup to install the default options for our PremiumPress theme. From here, simply enter your license key and order email address that you used when you purchased your PremiumPress theme. Once you've successfully activated your PremiumPress theme, you'll be presented with new options in the admin area on the left hand side.